Hello everyone and welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. So we're looking at Usdchf here. Pretty much I want to give you some of our ideas and thoughts behind this pair. So pretty much we're seeing a big correction in place here. All throughout of August and July, always been pushing to the downside. We've had this stall of momentum here, and ultimately I do think we do have another push to the downside just to continue. But first, I want to show you what I think will happen in terms of the route. So look at this uptrend here. I still think we have another drive in store for us. So what I mean by this is 1, 2, and then the third drive. That's what I'm looking out for. So ultimately, I think we could get a price to push into 0.93, which is a monthly key level for us. I'm going to monitor how price reacts to this point, because this could be a great sell-off opportunity. We could get a double top here. If we can look for entries, I will be looking to favor the downside move and to target into this next monthly level, which is at 0.906. It's in confluence with some previous support here. So really I'm trying to see if we can get into this zone from zone to zone, and that could be about 250 pips to trade in between if we can get into this level. So we need to first make sure that we can break this downtrend if we do sell up from the top. We need to find resistance as well here, or we could look for some slower momentum. As we can see here, we already do have an overbought condition here, and we all just want to see if we can get into the upside. If we do have price to push up above this current high, we will create we could create a possible divergence here. So this is where price would on the RSI indicator push higher, make a new peak, but the peak would have to be above this current high in order for this divergence to take place, and then it will look something like this, where you'd have your this peak would be higher and this would be lower, and this is your divergence call here. So I'm pretty much looking out for this in confluence as well. We do have a nice psychological level as well, so pretty much we do have some good confluences to look out for this setup. So I'm keeping an eye out for this. If we can get some shorts and trade into the next zone here, then around 250 pip move in the long run. So that's all I wanted to talk about for this pair. If you do have any questions, feel free to message us on our Instagram. All the links are in the description as well. If you are a new trader, feel free to join our trading group. That link is also in the description as well. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you very much for listening, guys, and see you all in the next one.